Hello. Today I am going to show you how to create a fund in the EveryDollar budgeting app. So if you are new to EveryDollar, the first thing you'll notice is that you're always brought to the main screen, which is your current month's budget. So it's September, so I have been brought to September in this example. Now, the difference between a fund and a regular line item really just boils down to one basic thing. Funds allow the money to roll over month to month. So any money that's left over from maybe August would have automatically come over into that same category for the month of September, and so on. So if I have money left over in that account from September, it'll go to October and it'll continue to snowball. I can also continue to add to it. So it allows you to save for maybe larger purchases that are coming that you want to start saving for right now. So in this example, I'm going to show you the vacation fund, or vacation bucket rather. So right now you'll see I have two categories that already have this little blue piggy bank, and the blue piggy bank just tells me visually by looking here that these are already funds, and I can prove that by clicking into it, and you will see that instead of it saying make a fund, it says fund details, and it tells me, hey, you have $0 so far in this fund. Now, in order to get to this point, what you'll want to do is click on any of the categories that you want to make a fund. So we're going to click hotel, and now you'll see it says make this a fund. You're going to click on that, and you will confirm. And again, they're just letting you know that, hey, anything you put in this can be rolled over month to month, especially if you want to save for a goal, which it allows you to tell it if you have a due date, right? So if you know you're taking this vacation the following summer, you might put a due date for when you want to hit your goal by. So with that being said, I'm going to make this a fund. And now I can tell it what my starting balance is. If you already saved money prior to maybe creating this account with EveryDollar, or you had saved money and you forgot to put it in right away, you can put that amount here. So let's just use this as an example. And I'm going to say I've already saved up $140. So I'm going to say my starting balance is $140. I have yet to plan anything for the month, so it'll stay zero. And I have obviously not spent anything, so that will stay zero. So once I tell it, save, this will change to be reflective of that 140. I can also now tell it if I have a goal. So again, knowing I might be going on a vacation in a year, I might say, okay, well, ideally, based on how long I'll be gone, I need to save at least $900. Okay, and now I'm going to click save. And there you go. So what it actually did is it already brought the 140 over into my current budget. So when I click out, you will see this blue piggy bank. You will see I still have not planned it to spend anything for this month. However, I have $140 in this account currently showing up on my budget. Now you'll see I have $30 that I have not allocated to my budget so far. So maybe I decide, well, I have anything left over, I'm going to start throwing it towards my vacation. And there you go. You'll also see I did the same thing with food. With food, it's a fund. I didn't maybe plan anything for the month, but I told it I had already saved money, and now it shows that I have $200 in this account that I've already squirreled away. So it's really straightforward, really easy to make a fund. And again, what's important to note is any money that is not spent will carry over. So really quick, if I go and I make a budget for October, it's going to copy everything over from September. But what you will see happen in doing so is that I now have $200 in this account instead of the 140 we started at, plus that 30, plus this 30. So $200 is now sitting in my hotel fund. And again, that's only taking into account me putting away $60 between last month and the next month. So that's how you make a fund in the EveryDollar budgeting tool. If you're on the app, it's the exact same process. You would click into the line item, you would click make this a fund. You will see a blue box at the very bottom. It says make this a fund. You can click on that, And when you do so, you can do the exact same thing. You can tell it how much you are starting with. If you have a balance already, you can say how much you're planning to spend, and you can also give it the savings goal you have. And then you would click done, and it would all be set for you. You would have made a fund right there on your app. So hopefully this was really helpful for you guys. I've made a few other videos about EveryDollar, so if you did not get to catch them already, please be sure to look out for those as well. I did a full tutorial on really everything, so I will make a link for that here in this video too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next video.